Welcome to a journey where your home becomes the key to unlocking a longer, happier life. Did you know that the average person spends nearly 90% of their time indoors? That's right, we're spending the majority of our lives within the walls of our homes. But what if I told you that the way you design your home could have a profound impact on your well-being? Prepare to be shocked by this. Studies have shown that indoor air can be up to 5 times more polluted than outdoor air. Yes, you read that correctly. Your cozy indoor haven might actually be harboring hidden toxins that could be affecting your health. But fear not, because in this video, we're going to reveal the secrets to designing your home for optimal health and happiness. From creating indoor gardens that purify the air to crafting tech-free retreats that promote better sleep, each chapter will unveil practical strategies backed by science and expert insights. So, if you're ready to transform your home into a sanctuary that nurtures your mind, body, and soul, then join us as we delve into the art of designing for a longer, happier life. It's time to unlock the potential of your home and discover the extraordinary benefits it holds for your well-being. Chapter 1: Nature's Touch, Indoor Gardens for Wellness. Bringing a touch of nature indoors can do wonders for your well-being. Studies show that indoor plants can reduce stress levels and boost your mood. Did you know that certain plants can improve air quality? NASA's Clean Air study found that plants like spider plants and peace lilies filter toxins from the air. Creating an indoor garden doesn't require a green thumb. Start with low-maintenance plants like succulents or snake plants. They're hardy and thrive in various conditions. Place them in areas where you spend the most time. Think about your living room or office space. Herbs are another great addition. Imagine snipping fresh basil or mint right from your kitchen counter. Not only do they add flavor to your meals, but they also release calming scents. Lavender, for instance, is known for its stress-relieving properties. Consider vertical gardens if you're short on space. These are great for small apartments or urban living. They make a stunning visual statement and maximize your plant space. Companies like Woolly Pocket offer easy-to-install vertical garden kits. Adding a water feature to your indoor garden can enhance relaxation. The sound of flowing water is soothing and can mask unwanted background noise. Try a small tabletop fountain or a DIY water garden. Lighting is crucial for indoor gardens. Most houseplants thrive with indirect sunlight. Place your plants near windows but avoid direct, harsh light. If natural light is limited, grow lights can be a great solution. LED grow lights are energy efficient and effective. Using stylish planters can elevate your indoor garden's aesthetic. Choose pots that match your home decor. Ceramic, terracotta, or even hanging macrame planters can add charm to your space. Don't forget to group your plants. Grouping creates a microenvironment where plants can benefit from each other's humidity. It also makes caring for them easier. You can water and mist them all at once. Remember to rotate your plants every few weeks. This ensures all sides get light and grow evenly. It's a simple trick to keep them looking lush and healthy. Lastly, enjoy the process. Gardening is therapeutic. Watching your plants grow brings a sense of accomplishment. As horticulturist Luther Burbank once said, "Flowers always make people better, happier, and more helpful. They are sunshine, food, and medicine for the soul." Chapter 2: Zen Zones, Creating Calm Spaces for Meditation and Relaxation. Creating a calm space for meditation and relaxation is essential in today's fast-paced world. Having a dedicated Zen zone can help you unwind and recharge. Start by choosing a quiet corner in your home. It doesn't need to be a large space, just somewhere you feel comfortable. Minimalism is key in a Zen zone. Clutter can be distracting. Keep your space simple with only a few essential items. A comfortable cushion or chair, a small table, and some soothing decor are all you need. Soft lighting sets the mood. Natural light is best, but soft lamps or candles can create a warm, inviting glow. Avoid harsh overhead lights. Himalayan salt lamps are a great option. They emit a gentle, calming light. Colors play a big role in creating a serene atmosphere. Opt for calming hues like soft blues, greens, or earthy tones. These colors can help reduce stress and promote relaxation. Avoid bright, stimulating colors like reds and oranges. Incorporate natural elements into your Zen zone. A small indoor fountain can add a soothing sound of flowing water. Natural materials like wood, stone, and bamboo can enhance the tranquil vibe. Even a small bowl of pebbles or a seashell can make a difference. Aromatherapy is another great addition. Essential oils like lavender, chamomile, and sandalwood are known for their calming effects. Use a diffuser to fill your space with these soothing scents. Incense sticks or scented candles are also great options. Sound plays a crucial role in relaxation. Create a playlist of calming music or nature sounds. Many people find ocean waves, rain, or birdsong particularly relaxing. You can use a white noise machine if you prefer. The goal is to create a soundscape that helps you unwind. Personalize your Zen zone with meaningful items. Maybe it's a photo that brings you joy, a favorite book, or a piece of art that inspires peace. Keep it minimal but meaningful. Comfort is crucial. Choose soft, cozy textiles for your space. A plush rug, soft blankets, or a comfortable throw can make a huge difference. You want your Zen zone to be a place where you feel completely at ease. Finally, remember to use your Zen zone regularly. Make it a habit to spend a few minutes each day in your calm space. Whether you meditate, read, or simply sit in silence, this time can be incredibly restorative. As Thich Nhat Hanh said, sometimes your joy is the source of your smile, but sometimes your smile can be the source of your joy. Chapter 3, Light It Up, Harnessing Natural Light for Health and Happiness. Natural light can transform your home and your well-being. It's not just about aesthetics, natural light has real health benefits. Studies show that exposure to natural light can boost your mood and energy levels. It can even improve your sleep patterns by regulating your circadian rhythm. Start by maximizing the natural light in your home. Keep your windows clean to let in as much light as possible. Use sheer curtains instead of heavy drapes to allow light to filter through while maintaining privacy. Mirrors are your best friend when it comes to enhancing natural light. Place them opposite windows to reflect light and brighten up the room. Large mirrors can make a small space feel bigger and more open. Consider the color of your walls. Light, neutral colors like white, beige, or pale gray can make a room feel brighter and more spacious. Dark colors absorb light, making a room feel smaller and gloomier. Furniture placement can also impact how light flows through your home. Avoid blocking windows with bulky furniture. Instead, arrange your furniture to take advantage of the natural light. For example, place your reading chair near a window. Skylights are a fantastic way to bring more natural light into your home. They can brighten up dark hallways, bathrooms, or any room with limited windows. Modern skylights are energy efficient and can even be opened for ventilation. If adding windows or skylights isn't an option, consider light tubes. These are reflective tubes that funnel natural light from the roof into interior spaces. They're perfect for windowless rooms like closets or hallways. In spaces where natural light is scarce, use daylight bulbs. These bulbs mimic natural light and can make a big difference in how a room feels. They're especially useful in basements or rooms with small windows. Don't forget about your outdoor spaces. Trim back any trees or bushes that block light from entering your windows. If you have a patio or deck, consider using light-colored outdoor furniture and decor to reflect light. Combining natural light with artificial light can create a balanced, pleasant atmosphere. Layer your lighting with a mix of ambient, task, and accent lights. Use dimmers to adjust the light levels throughout the day. Remember, exposure to natural light can boost your vitamin D levels. This essential vitamin supports bone health and immune function. According to a study by the Lighting Research Center, people who get more natural light during the day report feeling happier and more productive. Chapter 4, Tech-Free Retreats, Digital Detox Rooms for Better Sleep and Focus. In our digital age, creating tech-free retreats at home is more important than ever. A tech-free zone can help you unwind, improve your sleep, and enhance your focus. Start by choosing a room or a corner in your home where you can disconnect from screens and gadgets. Begin with the bedroom. Your bedroom should be a sanctuary for rest and relaxation. Keep TVs, laptops, and phones out of this space. According to the National Sleep Foundation, removing electronics from the bedroom can improve sleep quality. Instead of a TV, create a cozy reading nook. Fill it with your favorite books, a comfortable chair, and soft lighting. Reading before bed can be a relaxing way to wind down and prepare for sleep. Set up a tech-free zone in your living room. Designate a specific area where you can relax without screens. Use this space for activities like board games, puzzles, or art projects. These activities can be great for bonding with family and friends. Consider creating a meditation or yoga corner. A quiet, tech-free space for mindfulness practices can help reduce stress and improve mental clarity. Equip this area with a comfortable mat, cushions, and calming decor. To make your tech-free zones more inviting, add elements that engage your senses. Use scented candles or essential oil diffusers with calming scents like lavender or chamomile. Play soft, soothing music or nature sounds to create a peaceful atmosphere. Plants are another great addition to tech-free spaces. They can improve air quality and add a touch of nature to your home. Choose low-maintenance plants like snake plants or peace lilies for a serene, green retreat. Create a tech-free dining area. Make mealtime a screen-free zone to encourage conversation and mindfulness. Use this time to connect with loved ones and enjoy your food without distractions. Set boundaries for tech use throughout your home. Establish specific times and places for using devices. For example, avoid using phones or tablets during meals or in bed. According to a study published in the Journal of Environmental Psychology, setting tech boundaries can improve focus and reduce stress. Encourage family members to participate in tech-free activities. Plan regular screen-free evenings where everyone engages in offline hobbies. This can strengthen family bonds and create lasting memories. Chapter 5, Ergonomic Excellence, Designing for Movement and Posture. Ergonomics isn't just for the office. Designing your home with ergonomics in mind can enhance your comfort and well-being. Good ergonomics can help prevent pain and injury, particularly in the back, neck, and shoulders. Start with your workspace. If you work from home, invest in a good chair and desk. Your chair should support your lower back and promote a natural sitting position. The top of your computer screen should be at eye level to avoid neck strain. An adjustable desk can be a game changer. Standing desks encourage movement and can reduce the health risks associated with prolonged sitting. Research from the University of Waterloo suggests that alternating between sitting and standing throughout the day can improve posture and reduce discomfort. Consider using an active sitting chair. These chairs, like balance ball chairs or wobble stools, encourage subtle movements and can strengthen core muscles. They're a fun way to stay active while working. Your home should encourage movement. Arrange your furniture to create open pathways that invite walking and stretching. Small adjustments, like placing frequently used items in different rooms, can add steps to your day. Incorporate standing activities into your routine. Ironing, folding laundry, or even watching TV can be done standing. Use a high counter or install a standing station in your kitchen or living room. Proper posture is crucial. Remind yourself to sit and stand with your shoulders back and your spine aligned. A simple trick is to imagine a string pulling you up from the top of your head. Ergonomic furniture isn't just for the office. Your living room sofa and chairs should support good posture. Look for furniture with firm cushions and proper back support. Avoid deep, soft sofas that encourage slouching. In the bedroom, your mattress matters. A mattress that supports your spine can prevent back pain. Memory foam and latex mattresses are often recommended for their supportive properties. According to the American Chiropractic Association, a good mattress can make a big difference in sleep quality and spinal health. Don't forget about your pillows. Your pillow should keep your head and neck aligned with your spine. Side sleepers might need a thicker pillow, while back sleepers might prefer a thinner one. If you sleep on your stomach, consider using no pillow at all. Keep your feet in mind too. When sitting, your feet should rest flat on the floor. Use a footrest if your feet don't reach the ground. Proper foot support can prevent strain on your legs and lower back. Small ergonomic tools can make a big difference. Use a document holder next to your computer to avoid neck strain. A keyboard tray can help position your hands and wrists correctly. Remember to take breaks. The Pomodoro technique, which involves working for 25 minutes and then taking a 5-minute break, can keep you moving and reduce fatigue. Use your breaks to stretch, walk around, or do a quick exercise. Finally, listen to your body. If something feels uncomfortable, adjust your setup. As Cornell University ergonomics professor Alan Hedge says, the best posture is the next posture. Keep moving and changing positions to stay comfortable.